Looking for a grinder that can deliver more power and performance without the hassles of a cord? Look no further than the new 18V LXT Brushless 4.5-inch cutoff angle grinder. The electric brake stops the grinding or cutoff wheel in 2 seconds or less. Without lock-on and with lock-off 2-stage power-on paddle switch. Electronic torque control turns the motor off if rotation speed suddenly slows or wheel is forced to stop. In addition, the efficient brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge than similar non-brushless tools. You also get a compact and ergonomic design for superior balance and comfort. The efficient Makita brushless motor delivers 8,500 RPM for faster grinding with soft start to suppress startup reaction for smooth startups and longer gear life. The new angle grinder automatic speed change technology is engineered to adjust speed and torque during grinding applications for optimum performance, even under heavy load. Equipped with wire mesh intake covers, engineered to prevent debris from entering motor in high residue applications. The kit includes 2 fast-charging 4-amp-hour batteries, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. Batteries are equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18V series, the world's largest 18V lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.